Now, we're on the last question here on the free response, and this is free response question 6, part C, and this is for the AP Calculus exam. So now what we want to do for this type of question, and I always tell students, you're going to have a volumes of revolution style question, but it doesn't matter if it's going to be a washer or disk, you want to have a similar process. So for this one here, we're rotating it about a horizontal line, and that horizontal line is way up here, right? It's way up there, and that's what we're rotating it about. And what we're interested in is from here to here. And because we know that this thing is going to be a horizontal line that's way up there, we're going to have a disk slash washer. This is actually going to be a washer, and it's going to start from here, and then it's going to go all the way to our outer. Then it's going to go back here to the axis of revolution, and it's going to go all the way here to our inner. And this is going to be my big R, and this is going to be my little r. And the reason why we know that is there's going to be a hole. So this little r represents the space between the axis of revolution here. That's the axis of revolution, and the graphs, and that's our hole. Remember, washer has a big hole in it. It's like a washing machine, right? So what we end up doing is we use this to help solve our problem, and I mean, we actually go from each radius to solve. So don't forget the equation. We start off with a pi interval from 1 to 5 because that is going to be in terms of x because we have our vertical washers. And we're going to do 20 minus 0. And I know some of you are going to be like, well, Zach, why are you saying minus 0? Because I like to be consistent when I'm doing dish and washer problems. This is the equation y equals 20, and this is the equation y equals 0. Perfect. Squared because it's r squared minus little r squared. We're going to go back to our axis of revolution, which is 20. And then now we're going to go to what's this equation? G of x. 20 minus g of x squared, whole quantity squared. And don't forget your dx. So if you forgot your dx in any of these types of problems, yeah, they did take off points for it. However, this is how you would want to approach any disk and washer problem. And if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know down in the comments. Other than that, we're done here. Good luck, and I hope you all do well on the AP Calculus exam.